Good afternoon, Mike Jones, Fire Chief, City of Fredericksburg, here to provide you another update from the city on the COVID-19 crisis and what we're doing to try to help the employees and the citizens and the visitors to our community to keep them safe and limit their exposure to the virus. First, the statistics. As of noon today, there are 337,797 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the United States, and unfortunately the death toll is now approaching 10,000 as we're at 9,670. In Virginia, our testing is ramped up and we've now tested almost 25,000 people. We now have 2,878 confirmed cases of COVID-19, resulting in 497 hospitalizations and unfortunately 54 deaths around the state. In our immediate area, the cases have increased to 86. That's about 20 since we came to you on Friday. Stafford leads the way with 42 cases, Spotsylvania with 25. There are now 8 positive cases in the city of Fredericksburg, 9 in King George, and Caroline County now has a total of 2 positive cases. Unfortunately, the health district has reported a second death to a person in our region from the COVID-19 virus. But there is some positive news. When you look at the U.S. statistics, even though we have close to 10,000 deaths, the number of people recovered from the disease is 17,500, and that number is actually increasing every day compared to the number of deaths. So there are positive news out there, and let's take that for a good sign. The city continues to provide full coverage, all in a reduced footprint, and if we can help you with any type of service, please let us know. We'll try to do as much as we can by electronic means. All essential services continue. Police, fire, EMS, trash pickup, water and wastewater treatment are done every day, each and every day. You may have heard we have local elections coming up on Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. And due to the COVID-19 pandemic, all Fredericksburg voters may vote at home via an absentee ballot. All voters qualify to vote at home, but all must put in an application. By completing that application, if you want a ballot, you should apply now. Do not wait. Apply online at the voter registrar's page. If you don't have internet access, no problem. Just call us at 540-372-1030. That's 540-372-1030, and request an application be mailed to you. Absentee applications completed online are automatically submitted. All other applications may be returned by fax, email, or mail delivery. The deadline to request an absentee ballot is April 28th, but please don't wait. Go ahead and do it now. Make sure your vote counts. Beware of people out there trying to scam you out of your federal stimulus package, or what they call economic impact payments. The Virginia State Police has instituted a coronavirus fraud task force to look into possible scams from people trying to take COVID-19 payments to you. There are many scammers, thieves, and bad actors out there that are just trying to take the money from you. So please listen and follow the following advice. The IRS will deposit your payment into a direct deposit account previously provided on your tax return, or as an alternative, if you hadn't given them an address, a paper check. The IRS will not, repeat, will not call and ask you to verify your payment details. Do not give them bank account or sensitive information. If you receive a call from a potential scammer, do not engage the scammers. Just simply hang up. If you receive texts or emails claiming you can get your money faster by sending personally identifying information or clicking links, delete the emails now. Do not respond to them. Do not click any links. Remember, the federal government will not ask you to pay anything up front to get a legitimate benefit. No fees, no charges. Anyone who asks for an upfront payment for a promised benefit is a scammer. When you're practicing social distancing, some important reminders. Practice the 6-foot distance from others. Keep your distance to prevent the spread by droplet contact and from others to you or to you to others. If you're sick, please isolate from others and adhere to the recommended guidelines about distancing and quarantining yourself from others till the illness is passed. If you're practicing not being in groups of 10 or more, great, fantastic. Just remember to limit the number of friends and family you're hanging out with. The idea is to keep the number of potential exposures to a minimum, and that means interactions with people. If you have questions about the coronavirus, COVID-19, you can reach out to the Virginia Department of Health's call center. They're open from 8:30 to 5, and that number is 1-877-ASK-VDH3. That's 1-877-275-8343. Or you can contact our local health district between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday at 540-899-4797. That's 540-899-4797. Remember to keep up those personal hygiene and social distancing habits. They go a long way to prevent the spread of the virus. Thank you.